Today I will introduce about features NPM D3 and NPM TT. Component mounting machine. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click like and don't forget to press the notification bell to receive notifications from my next videos. And now we will come to part 1, giving an overview of the Panasonic mounter machine NPM D3 and NPM TT. To introduce the main parts of the machine. NPM machine overview. 1. High performance. 2. Versatile. 3. Easy model changes. 4. High quality component stickers. Main parts of the machine. 1. Component stickers. 2. X-axis driver units. 3. Y-axis driver unit. 4. Feeder tape covers. 5. Cameras. 6. PCB conveyors. 7. PCB holder lifter, PCB holder. 8. Nozzles and nozzle holder. 10. Feeder. 11. Feeder part. 12. Tray feeder. 13. Defective component rejection trays, reject box and A tray. We will analyze each part of the machine in detail. 1. Mounting head. The image below corresponds to each type of head on the existing Panasonic mounter. Currently there are 5 types of head: 16 head, 12 head, 8 head, 2 head, 3 head. Each head type can be assigned a nozzle number corresponding to the head name. 2. The name of the X-axis part indicates that the part moves along the X-axis. 3. The name of the Y-axis part indicates that the part moves along the Y-axis. 4. Covers on the component feeder. The main effect of the cover on the component feeder is to protect the safety during machine operation. 5.2D camera used to identify simple components. 3D cameras are used to identify complex components that require accuracy. 6. Components nozzle changer. Nozzle changer is classified by mounting head general application. 7. PCB holder and lifter, PCB holder A. PCB conveyor has the effect of moving the circuit board into the mounting position and out after completing the component mounting process. B. PCB holder helps us to install more support bars to raise the stable PCB board without being used in the process of attaching components to overcome errors of component flipping, component misalignment. Loss of components. 8. Part sucking component, nozzle. Nozzles are classified based on the type of attachment head. The name of the nozzle is distinguished as follows. Nozzle type 16/12 nitrogen monohydride. Includes 3 digits and comes with the letter S. Example. 230C's nozzle type 8 nitrogen monohydride. Includes 3 digits and no letter S. Example. 230C. Puzzle type 2/3 NH. Includes 4 digits, for example. 1003, 1004. 9. Nozzle holder. Nozzle hodl is designed specifically for each type of attachment head. Different types of heads have different nozzle holder structures to suit each type of nozzle. The introduction of the main parts of my machine will be paused here. Please watch the video. Please subscribe to support me. Thank you and see you in the next videos.